Ever wanted to transform your flat, lifeless illustrations into vibrant, realistic masterpieces? Today, we're diving into the art of shading in Adobe Animate, the secret sauce to adding depth, dimension, and a whole lot of visual appeal to your digital artwork. First, let's select the object you want to shade. Head over to the Properties panel and locate the Fill Color option. This is where the magic begins. One of the most effective shading techniques is using gradients. Within the Fill Color panel, select the Gradient option and choose either linear or radial gradient depending on the form of your object. Linear gradients are great for flat surfaces, while radial are perfect for round or spherical forms like our apple. Now, customize your gradient by adjusting the color stops. Click on each stop and pick your desired colors for light and shadow. This step is critical. Create contrast and depth. Generally, a darker shade for the shadow and a lighter shade for the highlights. Experiment with different colors to achieve the desired look. To further enhance your shading, add highlights and shadows beyond just the gradient. Create new shapes on a separate layer. Then use your gradient tool again, or even a solid darker color, to paint in these crucial elements. For example, create a highlight on the apple's top right to capture the light and darken the bottom to create its grounding shadows. As a final tip, experiment with different blending modes, like multiply or overlay, to blend the shading seamlessly with your base color. Remember, practice makes perfect, so explore these techniques, play with different color combinations, and most importantly, have fun bringing your illustrations to life. And that's how you shade in Adobe Animate.